3326 Liggett update video. We pretty much got this one done. I'm just going to shoot one more update video. We got some few little things that they've got to finish, and then we'll be done. So you can see they got this done. They got to get the trash out of there, and got to get a few things done back here as far as getting this stuff out. There's some trash, and then this got finished, as you can see over there. Let's go. Let's see here. Let's go inside. So let's go down the basement. And if you remember, we got all this done. Here, this is actually the main panel. There's actually a sub panel, or this is a sub panel actually. You can see there's no turn on there. Big sub panel. But that's okay. And then here's a bathroom that they got to finish up in here in Liggett. So they have to get that done. That's the only really thing they got to do. And then they got to get that. Almost everything's done in here. Hey, then the kitchen is pretty much done. They got to get that. They got the new GFI in there on both of them. So the floors got done. So they're all polyed and everything's painted. There's the flooring. I'll show you that upstairs. And again, you got newer windows in here. Really looks good. There's your carbon, new carbon. There's your new fire smoke detector. So you can see all this flooring's done in here. New lights, plug switches, blinds, flooring, paint, everything was done. Looks really good. Bathroom here, it looks good. New shower head. I'm gonna find out what that is, but they did finish the floors in here. Plug switches, lights, paint. Everything's pretty much done here. Again, you got newer windows in this, which is really nice. Let's go upstairs. We're gonna do these last. They haven't done the stairs yet. I'll make sure that they get those covered. Important. See, this is done. If you remember, we couldn't. They put something on this floor. We just couldn't get it off. So we put the nice linoleum strip in here, so you can see. Stuff lasts forever, so it's a good thing that keeps everything together. You gotta put that door up there. But as you can see, everything's pretty much done. We get it finalized next week, and we'll have it on the market. I think we may already have this one rented. So anyway, thanks. Hope you have a good day.